Welcome to Eyez, your go-to source for all things aviation. From legendary jets to breathtaking takeoffs, we've got it all. Get ready to soar. Ever looked up at a jumbo jet soaring across the sky, or a nimble helicopter buzzing between buildings and wondered, just how safe are these things anyway? It's a question on a lot of minds, and for good reason. We're talking about defying gravity here. Today, we'll be your friendly guides to the world of aviation safety, comparing those mighty airplanes with their rotor-powered cousins, the helicopters. We'll keep things light, breezy, and easy to understand using everyday language and relatable examples. Buckle up, it's going to be a smooth ride. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of aviation safety, exploring the ins and outs of both helicopters and airplanes. Ready for takeoff? Let's go! First things first, let's break down the stars of our show, helicopters and airplanes. Both are incredible feats of engineering, each with its own strengths and ways of keeping you safe. Airplanes, those big birds you see jetting across continents, are built for speed and efficiency at high altitudes. Their smooth rides and spacious cabins make long journeys a breeze. Think of them as the comfy cruise ships of the sky. Crucially, airplanes have something called glide capability. In simpler terms, if an engine quits, a pilot can usually glide the plane to the nearest runway. Now helicopters are the agile ninjas of the aviation world. They can take off and land vertically, making them perfect for tricky spots airplanes can't reach. Think medical rescues, news reporting, or even just a scenic tour over a volcano. They have the unique ability to hover in place, a lifesaver, literally, in emergencies. Both helicopters and airplanes undergo rigorous safety checks and maintenance. Plus, highly trained pilots are at the helm, using their expertise to get you from A to B safely. Okay, we get it. Sometimes your mind might wander to those what-if scenarios. It's only natural. But here's the thing. Both helicopters and airplanes are statistically incredibly safe. You've probably heard about airplane incidents in the news. It's important to remember that these events are extremely rare. When they do happen, they're thoroughly investigated to prevent similar incidents in the future. Helicopters, due to their often complex operations close to the ground, might seem riskier. But remember those skilled pilots and rigorous safety protocols we talked about? They play a huge role in keeping things safe. For example, air traffic control plays a vital role in preventing collisions. Think of them as the invisible guardians of the sky, guiding aircraft safely to their destinations. Section 4. Busting myths, helicopters, airplanes, and tall tales. Let's address some common myths, shall we? One persistent myth is that if an airplane engine fails, it's all over. But remember that glide capability? That's designed to prevent this exact scenario. It's extremely rare for all engines to fail simultaneously. As for helicopters, some folks believe they're just waiting to drop out of the sky. Nope. While it's true that helicopters require constant pilot input, their design includes safety features like auto-rotation, which allows for a controlled descent if the engine fails. These are just two examples of how myths don't always match reality. The truth is, aviation is built on layers upon layers of safety measures, constantly evolving and improving. Section 5. So, which one wins the safety showdown? Drumroll please, it's a tie. You see, it's not about crowning a winner. Both helicopters and airplanes are incredibly safe modes of transportation, thanks to rigorous regulations, continuous improvements in technology, and the dedication of countless professionals. The next time you're buckling up on a plane or hopping into a helicopter, remember this: you're in good hands. Flying, whether in a fixed-wing marvel or a rotor-powered wonder, is remarkably safe. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Safe travels, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you love aviation, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss a takeoff. See you in the next flight.